In order to run a school report, you just need to be at your home page, come up and click on the research button, pull down to school search, and then you have two options. You can search geography or you can search in a particular school district. So I'm going to choose school district, and then I can type in either the city, state, or zip code. So I am just going to go with a zip code. And then I can pull down to the city. And then off to the right, I have the ability to filter by school name if I knew what that was. And I can choose the different types of schools. And I'm just going to go ahead and leave all of those checked and click on the search button. Now it's asking me which school district is this, and I want Mooresville City Schools. And then I can see I have a list of schools, public and private. So now if I know that my particular client is looking for a private Christian school, I could come over here and I could click create a report. And then I can just go ahead and click run report. Now, while that report is running, let's come up and take a look at a different one. So this one is the East Mooresville Intermediate School. So now I'm looking at a different school. This one actually has a grade of A-. I can create a report. I can click on view nearby listings, but I'm just going to come up and click on this link so that I can come in here and see the information that is contained for each school. So I can see it's an elementary school, it's public, grades 4 through 6. I have the address, the phone number, and I have the comparisons and ratings that come from niche.com, which is where all of the school data comes from. And then I can see side-by-side comparisons, enrollment, students per teacher, students that are on the free lunch program, proficiency scores, teacher grades, and if there were any particular reviews written by parents, I can click over to here and I can view that as well. And then down below, I can search for nearby listings. And so that is how you generate a school report. Now I'm going to come back up to the top and I'm going to go to the report that I ran. Now let's look at the school report that I just ran. I'm going to go ahead and download that. And now I have a lot of information on this particular school that I can share with the client. I can search schools that are close by within a 5-mile radius. And I can search for nearby properties as well. Now you can check or uncheck whatever you do not want in your school report. That is completely up to you. That is how you would go ahead and run that report.